You've been wasting hours on AI video tools that overpromise and underdeliver. We all know the frustration. You sign up, you wait for the render, and what do you get? A video slapped with a massive, unremovable watermark, or a platform that drains all your free credits after just 2 clicks. Or worse, the quality is so robotic and distorted that you can't even use it for your content without ruining your audience's retention. I have tested over a dozen different AI platforms over the last few weeks, so you don't have to waste your time. Today on AI Insights Hub, I am breaking down the top 5 AI video generators that actually work in real-world workflows. I'm talking about tools with 0 watermarks, no credit headaches, and cinematic results that will genuinely surprise you and your viewers. I'm going to give you a comprehensive breakdown, including the exact settings I use, so you know exactly which tool fits your specific project. And you will want to stick around until the very end, because tool number 4 on this list provides stunning HD quality with fully synced sound, completely free, with no watermark whatsoever. Let's get right into it. First up on the list is Pika Art. I have dropped all the direct links in the description below, so you can easily follow along without having to search for anything. What makes Pika Art so incredible right now is how streamlined and user-friendly the interface is. Once you land on the main dashboard, you don't need to navigate through complex menus. Just go straight to the image option and drop in your starting frame. When it comes to prompting in Pika, you don't need a massive paragraph. For my test, I kept the prompt super simple. Donkey is cycling. In the settings panel, you want to lock your resolution at 1080p to ensure you get that high definition output, and set your duration to either 5 or 10 seconds depending on your needs. Here is the massive win for Pika Art. The platform gives you 80 free credits every single day. This high quality render only cost me 12 credits. That means you can generate multiple high quality clips daily for your B-roll without spending a single dime. While it does not output sound, the fluid camera motion and consistency for a completely free tool are incredibly hard to beat in the current market. Once it generates, you just hit download and drop it straight into your timeline. Next up is Adobe Firefly. Honestly, the results coming out of this specific tool absolutely blew me away when it comes to photorealism. When you log into the Firefly dashboard, navigate over to the Generate Video section. Here is the big selling point. You get 10 free videos per day at full 1080p resolution. There are no watermarks, no dropping quality, just clean, professional, broadcast-ready output every single time. Let me walk you through the exact settings you need to use. First, under the model selection, make sure you are using Adobe's native Firefly video model. This is crucial for getting the best results. Set your aspect ratio to the standard YouTube size, drop your reference image in, and type out your prompt. Now, here is the secret weapon inside Firefly that saves so much time, the Enhance Prompt button. When you click this, Adobe's AI automatically rewrites and optimizes your prompt, adding the necessary cinematic keywords before it generates. So even if your initial idea was basic or vague, Firefly steps in and makes it a highly detailed, professional prompt on its own. This is a huge win for output quality. You hit generate, wait a few moments, and you can pull your pristine, watermark-free video straight from the side panel. Moving on to tool number 3, Textideo. Once you open up the platform, click into the AI video section. Use the attach button to upload your image and type your prompt right into the text box. You will see a model selection drop-down menu. For this specific workflow, we are going to stick with the native Textideo model. Make sure to set your aspect ratio depending on where you are posting, whether that is vertical for YouTube Shorts or horizontal for long-form content. Let's talk about the math and why this tool is a must-have for bulk content creators. It only costs 2 credits per video, and when you sign up, you get 120 credits that renew every single day. You are basically getting a massive library of free videos on autopilot. There is one caveat to keep in mind. Using their native model limits the output to 420p resolution, and it does include a small watermark. However, if you are creating fast-paced content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, where ultra-high definition isn't always the main priority, and watermarks aren't a deal-breaker, Textideo is incredibly fast and gets the job done perfectly. Tool number 4, and I have to be honest, this one is my personal favorite. I actually use this constantly behind the scenes for my longer 3 to 4 minute documentary style videos. It is Meta AI. Once you are inside the Meta AI interface, head over to the Create tab. You simply upload your image and type your prompt. For this example, I typed, character is cycling with a happy mood. You hit generate, and in an astonishing 5 to 6 seconds, your 8-second HD quality video is fully rendered and ready to go. The camera movement, the subject consistency, and the overall motion quality make this one of the sharpest, most reliable free tools available right now. Now, full transparency, Meta AI recently updated their system, and they do add a watermark to these generations now. Even with the watermark, this remains my top recommendation when you need a perfect blend of high speed and top-tier quality. And now, the one you have been waiting for. Tool number 5, Qwen AI. This is the holy grail. No watermark, brilliant HD quality, and full sound included automatically. Let me show you exactly how to maximize this tool. Head into the Video Generation tab, click the plus icon, and select Create Video. First, set your aspect ratio to the standard YouTube size. Then, upload your reference image and type in your prompt. I ran the exact same test prompt. Donkey is cycling. Hit Generate. It takes about 30 to 35 seconds, which is incredibly fast for what it's actually doing behind the scenes. Look at what you are getting with this output. You get beautiful HD video, absolutely zero watermarks, and the platform's AI automatically built a matching sound design into the file. You don't need to spend extra time searching for sound effects and layering audio in post-production. It is completely ready to go the second it finishes rendering. Just click download at the top, and you have a professional quality asset ready to upload anywhere. It might be last on today's list, but Qwen AI is an absolute powerhouse. If you are serious about taking your content quality to the next level, this tool absolutely needs to be in your editing toolkit. So that is the complete lineup for today. Pika Art, Adobe Firefly, Textideo, Meta AI, and Qwen AI. Let's do a quick recap so you know exactly which one to pick. If you want maximum resolution and complete control over the cinematic look, Adobe Firefly is your best move. If you need to produce fast, bulk content for shorts and reels, Pika Art and Textideo have you completely covered with their massive daily credit allowances. And for the best all-around automated quality, especially for longer videos, you cannot go wrong with Meta AI or Qwen AI. If this breakdown saved you hours of testing and research, please drop a like on the video. It genuinely helps the channel grow and reach more creators like you. And make sure to hit that subscribe button for AI Insights Hub so you don't miss the next deep dive into the best automation tools. See you in the next one.